Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to start working with the stories. Yeah, let's just start. So let's create a new app. Django admin, start app. I will name this one stories, of course. Here we go. Let's close this. Let me fix the size of the. I just don't like how it looks. Let's go to templates. Oh, let's go here. Let's put 1080p. And this is the picture. Let's do 5:3. Save that. Let's refresh. Oh. And yep, way better. You can just change it however you want. I guess this one looks better. Let me see. Not quite. Let's do 5. Yeah, anyway, so okay, we create a new app. Let's go here. This is a new app. Of course, let's start with the models. The first thing that we need to import is the user, right? From Django.contrib.auth models import user. And then we want to import the follow model. So post.models import follow, because we're going to check the users that are following for the stories. And also let's import the signals, right? Signals import post save. Okay. Let's go to post and let's copy this, because we want the stories to be stored in the user folder. So I'm just going to copy this. Yeah. So now here, let's create a new model. Story models.model. First field be user. Foreign key. User first, the on delete thing. Cascade. Then let's put a related name of story user, right? Let's create content will be models that file field because we're going to enable the possibility to like share videos and that. Okay, so upload to let's copy this, paste it over here. No, true. No. Oops. Caption, right? Oh, this is, we forgot the equals here. Just put a text field with a mass length of like 50. We don't want people too creative with this. Okay, expire. Let's put boolean field, and the default will be false. Okay, and then the date time field, I don't know, add true. Okay, let's put this so we can kind of like see the username. Okay, this is for the story. So this is the plan. So what we want to create like the post string, just like here in the post, but we are going to make like too many fields of story. Why? Because we want to be able to the user to, for example, like he wants to share a story now and then one later, and etc, etc. So we want to basically like stack all of those like stories into one string, so the person that's following that user will be able to see like all the new stories, etc, right? So let's create a story string. Following, let's create a foreign key, user, on delete, cascade, let's put a related name of story following. Okay, now let's put user, same thing, okay. So now here we put the stories, right? As I said, many to many field of story. Okay. Let's put stories. Right. Okay. Of course, a date time field. True. Okay. Let's define it. Just return person that's following, right? And let's put the date, because I want to like check the date, so we need to convert the date. Let's put self.date, right? Okay, okay, now here we have to like add the signal. This will be called add post. So the sender and the instance, and here args and count words. Yes. So let's create a new instance of story. Let's name it new story right here. The user, let's get it from new story dot user, right? And now let's get the followers. So the followers will be follow dot objects dot all, and now we can just put filter, right? Following the user, right? Yeah. So we're getting all the followers of this user. Okay. Now here's the funny part. So for follower, in followers, so we're going to try. First, we want to see if there is a story string already, right? Because we don't know if this is the post that this story will be added to the string that's already created or a new one. So, but story string that objects that get in here, we pass the user follower because we're getting the follower, right? So following user. Okay, very simple. Oops, except story string that does not exist. So if the object doesn't exist, we actually want to create it, right? Story string that objects that create, because that means that this is the first post of the user. So the user hasn't posted anything yet. So this is the first post. So if the user already posted something, we're going to get that story string to be able to add the new post. If not, we're going to create one. So the user will be follower and the date. Let's put story that posted, and following, let's put user, right? Okay. Oops. Okay, after that, here we say here as that story add. Now here we add the new story instance. Okay, this is the new story instance. Put it here. And then save. Okay. Now let's go actually here so we can copy this. Okay, paste over here. Let's put story string story string. Oops, story string add post sender story. Okay. Yay. Okay. So okay, this should work. We have the models. Let's save that. As always, when we modify models, we want to run Python manage.py make migrations. And now let's migrate. Oh, yeah, we need to add a new we need to add a new app here. Let's add a new app, stories. Let's save that. Now let's try again. Oh, name users not defined. What? Oh, let's check. Oh yeah, capitalize user. Let's drag in, make migrate. Okay, now let's migrate. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so we run the migration. Now, let's create a new file. Let's create a new file here in stories. Save, then let's put forms.py. So here, let's start with the forms. Let's import it from Django. Import forms. And let's import the models. Stories.models. Import story. We can go to post and copy this one, because it's kind of the same. Let's just copy this. Let's copy that. Paste over here. Okay. Let's put new story form. Content. Captions. We don't have tags, so let's get rid of this. Model story. Content and caption. Okay. I guess we don't. So we don't want to put. I don't think that it's necessary to put like multiple like content, because we want the user to upload the stories one by one. So I don't think this is necessary, but I'm just leave it there. But yeah, we here, so we're not enabling the user to post like multiple stories like right away. We want the user to post one by one. So don't think that this is going to work. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, so we got the models, we got the forms. Actually, let's add the stories here. To the add stories that from stories that models story and this one too. Okay. Okay, so we got that. In the next video, we're going to start working with the views and also the template for. Actually, no. Let's just do it now. Let's just create a new template here. Let's save it. New story. Boom. And then here, I think we can copy this one from new post and let's paste over here. Of course, we want to get rid of tags because we're not going to use it. So caption content, and then like here, new story, choose your media. Foreign caption and yeah. So we're going to use the I mean, I don't know. Oh, what is this? This is one. So that's for the new story, and I think that I have a typo here too. Sorry. So yeah, in the next video we're going to continue with the new post, and we're going to work with the views and the URLs to make the storage work. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.